What's up? What's happening? We are here in Slovenia. We've been invited here by Unior tools. You've probably seen them being used in my bike build videos. We're going to do a little factory tour and find out a little bit more about them being made, because it's all made here in Slovenia, which I think is pretty insane. And I'm pretty excited to actually explore this a bit more because I did mechanical engineering at university. I got to play on some of the CNC machines a little bit, but to actually see them in action and making bike tools should be pretty interesting. So let's go and see what they're making here. After seeing the CNC plant in action, we headed out to check out some of Unior's laser tools. First, suction cups pick up flat pieces of metal, move them to position, and cut as required. The laser cutting machine is already pre-programmed with shapes to be cut. Here you see wrenches being made. Multiple items are cut and each individual piece is knocked out by hand. So this right here, this piece of sheet metal, is actually what is part of the disc pad spreader. And looking at it, you can kind of tell it's probably still early stages and it's just come off the laser curve. Here you see the resemblance of a handle. It's heated up and knocked into shape. This you might recognize. It's a pedal wrench, and here it is going in for heat treatment. This process changes the material's mechanical properties. Once tools have been heat treated, they're dipped in chroming, as this protects and enhances their aesthetics. After chroming, the tools are dropped into a massive vibrating drum mixed with ceramics. These clean up the tools and make them ready for the handles to be attached, or they may even reach the end of their manufacturing process here. Other tools are cleaned up by hand. In this instance, we see a repair stand clamp weld being smoothed off by a grinder. Robots are now commonly used in the Unior manufacturing process. These are safer and quicker than by hand. This is a pair of pliers being cleaned up and finished off, ready for assembly. Further down the machine floor, there's more to be discovered. Hanging in racks, fresh from being dipped are sockets. They're sorted and placed into buckets by hand, ready for polishing or assembly. In my hand here is a finished part of a headset press. These will eventually be taken to the assembly room with the rest of the manufactured pieces to be built by hand. Check this robot out, it's absolutely insane. It's making drawers itself, that is incredible. The robots move and position material quickly and effortlessly with pinpoint accuracy and reliability. It makes complete sense for manufacturing. The robot picks up, moves and loads flat sections of aluminium using suction cups into an automatic bending machine. Here we see drawers for cabinets being produced. Cabinets and drawers are finished off by hand. Workers apply finishing details with vinyls and polish off any marks to ensure the highest quality end result. These are then shipped all over the world from Slovenia. Now we're up at the assembly line. It's pretty cool in here. You've got chain tools, you've got pliers, all being assembled completely by hand and finished off. Seeing the work that goes into each tool is quite astonishing. Manually, hammer heads are fitted to their shafts. Every piece of the chain tool is completely assembled by hand, and the same with the bottom bracket wrench. This is the case for many of Unior's mountain bike specific tools. And with this process finished, they're all then placed in cartons ready to be packaged up for retail. This was a sneak peek of something brand new Unior were about to produce, their Hanger Genie, a rear hanger alignment tool. The CAD drawings we see here provide instructions for the machine operator to produce the top piece. Well, there we go, the final part of the tour. We're in the warehouse with all the tools all stacked up ready to be shipped around the world. Pretty insane how many there are. Absolutely incredible. Stoked on that. These pliers mark Unior's 100 years of manufacture. It's impressive to see how the tools used daily on your bike are all being produced here in Europe.